Hello dear customers and subscribers, I'd like to show you a full preview about my first alien toad character from the series. There will be 5 of them. Alien Toad Seeker. This delightful amphibious friend is ready to hop into your world of fun and adventure. I was inspired to make the underwater seeker team from fantasy world that exploring the oceans in search of hidden treasures. Here I wrote some short description about these creatures and I hope it will be helpful for you. Let's talk about his equipment. In the world of our toad, a mystical fantasy compass adorns its arm, guiding it through enchanted lands and mysterious realms. It consists of 3 different arrows with separated joints that can be animated separately. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one for additional dial. In the depths of the underwater world, our toad character sports a shimmering fantasy shell necklace. You can use it for some magic spells or for some masking shield or maybe for something else. The lamp sphere on the toad's belt is using to illuminate the mysterious depths of the oceans. All of the accessories has separate mesh with separate unwrapped texture and material and can be easily detached from the main character. For your convenience, I dropped the meshes to modular folders in the projects. As you can see, I made 2 texture packs for accessories. First pack is decorated with a beautiful glossy webbed dirt, and I think it can be used for inland travels. And second is a clean ropes pack for underwater adventures. Some of the material has color change elements. Let me show you. You can set up emission level for this dial, and also you can change the color by clicking this parameter. The same thing we can make with our lamp. Here is the lamp emissive emission, and it works like that. And also we can change the color parameter for this blade emission color. Here we go, like this. So do whatever you want with these things. Humanoid rig and additional bones. So my rig is based on Epic Skeleton with removed pinky finger joints. Here is our skeleton, and as you can see, it has the same bones names like in real skeleton, and it begins from the root bone. For face animation, I use additional bones for both eyes and also 1 joint for jaw. The necklace has 1 joint that is attached to the chest bone. The lamp consists of 2 joints. First one is for knot and the second one is for sphere control, and also 4 bones for compass. What about Polycount? Main body mesh consists of 26 thousandths of triangles, and with full item setup it has 55 thousandths of triangles. And also let's take a look on Unreal project. We have some modular meshes right here. This is the clean body mesh. You can easily detach some flippers from it. Here we have some blueprint with the blade in his hand. You can find it in the blueprint folder. Here we go. This is the toad with the blade. So here we have 2 types of textures. This is the dirt pack, this is the clean pack of textures, and here we have some clean body. Let's take a look on the animations. Here we have some idle animation for blueprint with the blade in hand. This is 4 idle animations, different. It's a roaring and muscles, showing muscles, some kind of that. So here we have walking, running animation. This is the turning animations for 45 degrees and for 90 degrees in both directions. Here we have Here we have dying animation, 2 types of attacks, and some of jumping with attack and some loop jumps. This is the whole pack of animations for Alien Toad. So here we have some physics, and I think it works really well. So the same thing we have in Unity project. Here we have some modular meshes, 2 kind of meshes with dirt pack, clean pack, and 2 clean meshes. All this stuff you can find in prefab folder. Here we have animations, materials, textures. So everything is the same as in Unreal project. Files and packs. On such marketplaces as ArtStation and CG Trader, you can find Unreal project, Unity project, 3ds Max files, Maya files, Substance Painter project, FBX files, FBX animation pack, textures packs, and also Marmoset for scene if you need it. That's all. That was Alien Toad Seeker. I hope you like it, so see you next time when I will show you the next Alien Toad Defender.